Looking for the best floor-standing speakers in 2026? In this video, we review and compare top tower speakers for home theater and music lovers. We test sound clarity, bass response, soundstage, build quality, and real-world performance with movies, gaming, and music. Whether you're upgrading your hi-fi or home theater system, this guide helps you find the best floor-standing speakers for your budget. Number 3. The Sony SS-CS3M2 High Residential Floor-Standing Speaker 2025 model is a versatile tower speaker designed to complement Sony home theater and stereo systems. Featuring a three-way for driver configuration, this speaker delivers clear highs, balanced mids, and controlled bass in a slim floor-standing design suitable for movies, gaming, and everyday music listening. The system includes a 5.12-inch woofer for low frequencies, a high-precision tweeter for accurate detail, and a wide-dispersion super tweeter that expands the soundstage. With a high residential audio frequency response of 45 Hz to 50 kHz, the SSCS3M2 reproduces fine details in high-resolution music while maintaining clarity for dialogue and effects in home theater use. The bass reflex enclosure and reinforced cellular cone help reduce distortion and keep sound clean at moderate to high volumes. In real-world use, these speakers perform best when paired with Sony AV receivers, where impedance settings and tuning help unlock their full potential. While bass is present and well-controlled, users seeking deep, room-shaking lows may want to add a subwoofer, especially for movies. Build quality is solid for the price, and the sound improves noticeably after a short break-in period. Overall, the Sony SSCS3M2 offers good clarity, wide dispersion, and strong value, especially when purchased at a discount, making it a smart entry-level floor-standing speaker option in 2026. Number 2. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP8000 F2 floor-standing speakers are built for listeners who want powerful, cinematic sound with the detail and dynamics Klipsch is known for. This 2.0 speaker pair features a bold, modern design and an elegant ebony finish, making it a standout addition to any premium home theater setup. At the heart of the RP8000 F2 is a larger 90 degrees by 90 degrees hybrid Tractrix horn, which delivers a wide, immersive soundstage while maintaining excellent control over high frequencies. Paired with a 1-inch LTS titanium diaphragm tweeter, highs are crisp and detailed without the ear-piercing sharpness sometimes associated with older Klipsch designs. Users report noticeably smoother treble, even at higher volumes. The upgraded dual 8-inch ceраmetallic woofers provide deep, punchy bass with impressive efficiency and minimal distortion. Explosions, music bass lines, and cinematic effects hit hard while remaining tight and controlled. These speakers easily fill large rooms and pair exceptionally well with subwoofers for full theater impact. Build quality is excellent, from the solid cabinet construction to the smart packaging that makes setup easier despite their weight. With bi-wiring and bi-amping support, advanced users can further fine-tune performance. Whether used for movies or music, the RP8000 F2 delivers outstanding clarity, power, and value, making it one of the best floor-standing speakers available in 2026. Number 1. The Polk Audio Signature Elite ES60 Hi-Fi floor-standing speakers are a refined and powerful choice for listeners who want premium sound for both music and home theater. Designed with Polk's latest acoustic engineering, this pair of tower speakers delivers a balanced, room-filling performance that feels equally at home with stereo music or cinematic surround setups. At the top end, the high-resolution dome tweeter produces clean, detailed highs with excellent clarity, allowing vocals, strings, and dialogue to sound natural and well-defined. Whether you're streaming high-resolution music or watching Ultra HD movies, the ES60 maintains precision without harshness. The mid-range is smooth and articulate, keeping instruments and voices front and center. Bass performance is another highlight. Thanks to advanced port technology, the ES60 generates deep, controlled low frequencies with minimal distortion. The bass is punchy and musical rather than boomy, adding impact to action scenes while staying tight for music playback. Many users will find that these speakers deliver satisfying low-end, even without a subwoofer, for everyday listening. Built for an immersive listening experience, the ES60 offers wide dispersion, ensuring consistent sound quality across different seating positions. With its elegant black finish and universal compatibility with vintage hi-fi, Dolby Atmos, and DTS X systems, the Polk Audio Signature Elite ES60 stands out as an excellent floor-standing speaker upgrade in 2026. That concludes our floor-standing speakers review for 2026. If this comparison helped you choose the right tower speakers for your setup, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth audio reviews. Check the description for recommended models and sound demos. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the sound.